Hello friends, in this video you will learn to solve numbers containing 1, 2 and 3 program. The task is given an array ARR of n numbers. The task is to print only those numbers whose digits are from set 1, 2, 3. Input output I will explain with the example. Here is the example. Input. First one is the number of test cases. In every test case we take the two lines. First line is the number of elements. Second line is the details of those elements. The same way remaining test case also. To get this output, observe the first test case. In this first test case, is 4 comes under the set 1, 2, 3? No. 6 also not comes under the set of 1, 2, 3. 7 also like that. Then output is minus 1. If no such element is exist in the given element, so output is minus 1. Otherwise, take the second test case. Number of elements are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 are elements details. 1 is comes under set 1, 2, 3. 2 also comes under set of 1, 2, 3. 3 also comes under set of 1, 2, 3. 4 is not comes under set of 1, 2, 3. So output is only 1, 2, 3. In the same way remain this one also. To solve this task, I have written a code. Here is our code. For test cases, I am taking t variable, take the value of t. To execute all test cases, I am using while loop with t minus minus. In this, every test case we take the value of n. For number of elements, take the value of n. To get the number of elements, I am using an array with a size of n. By the for loop, I take the all values of elements. To get this output, I am using a function numbers, passing two parameters. One is array address, another one is number of elements. The function is here, numbers. Numbers, I am using a map to store which are valid or nothing but which are having the digits 1, 2, 3. Those numbers will stores in the map, and how many times that occurs also stored in this. First one is the element details, and the second one key is the element, and mapped value is how many times it is occurs. See this, I am starting the for loop from the beginning onwards. Int I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. If condition is valid a of I. Is valid a, one more function I am using is valid. If it is valid, nothing but it's having the digits of 1, 2, 3, then that is comes under valid. It is true. Otherwise, it is not true. So, this is the is valid function. Take this. Take the second test case. 4. N is the 4 and 1, 2, 3. We are at the I value 0, and so 1 is valid 1. Yes, 1 is valid. Then maps takes the 1 and the occurrence value will become 1. I incremented. 2 comes. 2 also valid. Then it is true. It is comes under, it is also entered into the map, and that occurrence value will become 1. The same way I value increments 3 comes. 3 also valid. Then it is also entered into the map, and that occurrence value is 1. 4 comes. 4 is not valid. So it is not entered into the map. I value incremented. So I value becomes 4, less than 4 is false, then comes out. See this. Int is c equal to 0. It is used for is there such elements exist or not. So I am started traveling in the map by using auto I equal to m dot begin, I not equal to m dot end, I plus plus. I am using this while loop for if a digit, suppose assume 2 occurs more than once. So we need to take that many times. That's why I am using occurrence value. If it is occurs how many times? This while loop says I second is the occurrence value. If it is occurs 2 times, it prints a 2 times the 2 value. So in this way take this one. In the map there is 1, 2, 3 elements are there. Then their occurrence value is 1. while loop only executes once because that occurrence value is 1. Then after it value becomes 0. So output is 1, 2, 3. And C value become 1 because this entered into the map. Map having some value says by the C equal to 1. Then this if block not execute because having some elements. If suppose no elements is exist like the in the test case 1, then C value still 0, output will become -1 like this. But now output is 1, 2, 3. Here you need to know one thing, is valid function. What is the is valid? Here is the boolean function is valid. Take that value. Take this one value 1, 2. Take 1, 2. 1, 2 comes. Check the first one. If n equal to 0, 0, n equal to 0, no, n is 12. Then comes to this while block. 12 not equal to 0. Then a equal to n percentile 10. That gives a 2 value. Then check the if condition. A equal to 1 or a equal to 2. A equal to 2 is true. Then n value becomes n by 10. N by 10 is the 1. Then 1 is not equal to 0. 1 percentile 10 equal to 1. So a equal to 1, it is true. Then n equal to n by 10. Nothing but it is 0. 0. Then while checks a condition. 0 not equal to 0. It is false. So while loop stops execution. Returns -1. This is comes under valid. 12 is the valid. This is the process to find the given digit is valid or not. And check the code. Compile test. See this. Expected output, our output is same. Then submit. It's correct answer with the execution time 0.16. If you have any better code, please put in the comments. Happy to see you. Thanks for watching.